Alright, in this video I'm going to take care of something I've been procrastinating for a while. I'm going to get rid of our old garbage can that was located in the corner and clear out all this and put a new pull-out drawer. Make it a lot easier. Stay tuned. as you saw, I had to notch the cabinet to fit the slide. I mounted it, and we're ready to install the new drawer. All right, let's install these bins and make sure they fit right. All right, well, the main purpose of this fix that I wanted to do was to incorporate the organization of staying within a triangle when you're in the kitchen. The sink, the fridge, the stove, and the garbage now is all within this range. So when we are cooking and cleaning, we're not going out of our way to get to the garbage. We're staying within this area. So this has become very efficient and useful in our kitchen. All right, a little disclaimer here. You can buy these kits online to convert your garbage into the draw system like I just did. But my biggest problem with them is they fit larger gallon-sized trash bins. And I wanted to fit a 10-gallon trash and recycling bin because that will max out that cabinet size I had and give me more trash room, which obviously means taking the trash out less. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more content.